Oh, I forgot to say at the beginning, if you're a hairdresser, don't watch this, please. Today is the day. Hello, everybody. My name is Josu, and welcome back to another little vlog. Maybe it's a big vlog. Big vlog. I'm going to be dyeing my hair. Have I ever bleached my own hair before? No. Am I bleaching my whole head? No. But I am going to be doing the ends of it. I watched a video, and I watched it a couple times-ish. I skipped through it a couple times. I have everything. Maybe. I bought some things. We're going to be doing pink on the ends because that is what my community voted for. I need to bleach it to do that. Realistically, I wanted to dye my hair back like brown because there is like some washed red, but that's expensive. Honestly, I was just like, expensive and a lot of work. So we're just going to do the ends. Eventually, I'll probably put brown dye over that. The reason it's red is because I love Brad Mondo's hair gloss, and I would put that on top of my like brown hair. Bought some foils to put on the end of my hair with the bleach in it because I don't trust myself to not get it all over the rest of my hair. And I bought this dye kit, which I have no idea how this is inside of there because there's supposed to be a mixing bowl, hair dye brush, hair clips, and earmuffs in here. Unfortunately, I cannot move the camera any further back because there is a wall in the way because my sink in my apartment is jammed between two walls. Wait, I didn't know they were glittery. Oh, I like that. Oh, hello. What an interesting. Why would that? Why? Okay. I layered my hair myself in the best uneven fashion. I need to pluck my eyebrows. The earmuffs are kind of funny. Should I put them on? It's like a little shower cap for a Barbie. Oh, that's a lot less shallow, or a lot less deep than I thought it was going to be. They could have made it a little deeper now. All right, whatever. That's not too bad of a kit. We'll see how it works for me. Bleach, I'm using Good Dye Young bleach kit. Have never tried their dye, but I did want to try the brand. It's Hayley Williams brand of Paramore. Something's on my toe. Except there's nothing there, but I can feel it. It's a 25 volume, safely lifts hair 3 to 5 levels. I'm pretty sure I looked at what the picture said online and I said, yeah, that's fine. The guy in the video said, girl, you gotta be quick. I said, okay. So that might be a point where I go nonverbal. Ammonia free, formaldehyde free, and free like a free elf. Ow. Oh. For the love of all things good, I am so annoyed today. And things like that keep happening. I've sectioned my hair. It's actually mostly just so I can like better see the like half-ass layers that I have. Oh. No. I was gonna use my mic that I actually did get set up because last video I said I couldn't use my mic. But I got it working, and now I'm a little nervous to have it on me whilst I'm doing my hair, like bleaching it and things. So I'm gonna allow myself to have that pass. I forgot, I was thinking about cutting my bangs because I do that, but I was growing them out. Girl, like the growing out bangs like sucks ass so bad. It's kind of why you just never get rid of them, because you start to, and then what? You just trim them. But the thing is I was thinking about dyeing the tips of my bangs, but I really like to have them short. But that's why I was also thinking about growing them out. Then they're extra long, and I could do the ends of them pink if I so desired. And I'm about to cut them crooked once more. How was we? I was trimming them and I was like, I don't even need to do this right now. If I'm not dyeing them, it doesn't really matter. I can trim them later. So, because I'm feeling a little like angry today. Like that's just the mood. I don't know why. I slept well. Like I made sure to go to bed early last night. Well, first of all, actually, I'll tell you that story in a second. Remind me. Put these little mini plastic bags on my hands. Low-key, I feel like it should be normalized for salon workers, like hairstylists. They need to be wearing some masks because they if they deal with so much bleach, you know, you want to protect yourself. Probably not good to be inhaling chemicals. So I'm gonna need to be quick with this, which sucks because when I work too fast, I get messy. What is quick? I wish you would have given me a time frame.
We'll mix them up. It actually looks a little edible. I'm not gonna eat it though, don't worry.
Oh, yeah. You see, it did do what I thought it might do. Listen, I'm gonna need a little arrow pointing down. Pull here. Didn't do that for me. I'm used to that. I'm an American. I'm supposed to be told exactly what I'm supposed to do at all times. Otherwise, we don't know what to do. Girl, let me tell you something. If it turns out ass, a little brown dye never hurt nobody. Okay? There's that. If it turns out ass, well, it is always perspective. Wow, her hair looks so bad. Well, girl, I got my morals straight, don't I? Let's get down to business. Yeah, I'm gonna be so fast. Oh my gosh. No, stop being mean to yourself. I take it back. It smells like I just stick my head in my cat litter box. It's a little bit different when it's on you. Anya Taylor-Joy. Actually, if this turns out bad, we'll just blame Yahoo Mail. They really ruined the start of my day. Black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow. You know what it is. You'll never guess what triggered that song, man. It's because I was thinking back and forth because I was swapping my shoulders, or my hair on my shoulders from like side to side. I was going back and forth in my head. And then I started saying black, yellow, black, yellow, black, yellow.
This is gonna look good because I demand it to. It is of my will.
Because I am a woman. And a woman is the closest thing to God that walks this earth. To a God, I should say, because I don't subscribe to any of your patriarchy religion. You cannot tell me what to do. This is so haphazard. It's so haphazard. You know what? I'm haphazard. And I'm not ashamed about it. Is it bleaching? Oh, get it off my face. Did I not do a very good job of mixing this? Probably. Oh, I forgot to say at the beginning, if you're a hairdresser, don't watch this, please. Well, I definitely did not apply that well, but that's okay. I mean, it's a little red because obviously that's what was on it. That doesn't really matter to me that much because what I'm putting on it is pink. My hands are gonna be pink because I'm not going out to my car to get no freaking gloves. I forgot I would need a second pair. Duh. I did just get in my shower with my shirt on. And my pants too. My hair is so long. That goddamn back of my head just stays so freaking wet. It's fine. It's fine. Oh, that's gonna bother me. Should I just look away? A little patchy. I really don't care internally. But that like OCD perfectionist part of me is like, oh my God. And I think I'm caring for the wrong reasons right now. Should I go copper? Like honestly though, if I had this like professionally done, you know, my hair was giving a little bit lifeless, which is why I was excited for this to just like spice it up because I had been wanting to put more of the hair gloss on it anyway. But now it's giving kind of hot rock star chic for the moment until I put the pink on. Then we'll see what it gives. Okay. I needed to text Grace at Silly Critter. Shout out. I'm supposed to play battle with her. I said, give me 10 minutes because I'm actually gonna hop on Discord with the hair dye on my hair. I think I continuously underestimate the amount of hair I have, and I don't know why I do that. Okay, this is Pulp Riot, by the way, in Cupid. Basically, I've had a bad day. Take it one now. You sing a sad song. Hurry. Quit thinking about how your hands are gonna stain and just hurry up because you're already in deep. You're already in deep. He just texted me. Nothing else other than forgot what I wanted to ask. Okay. That's cool. You just let me know now, honey, when you remember. You making me stop my task to look at your damn text. Cause I think I text correctly. I think I text politically correct. Meaning, what do I mean by that? Well, I just made that up. As in, like, I actually read text with the intent to respond in a promptly manner. Shout out, Sibajubi. Sharon. May he rest in peace, King. But also, like, what's that a quote from? I feel like it's like, is it in something like that in Hannah Montana? Were they in Hannah Montana? You ever reference something and you don't really know where it's from, and then you get scared because you're like, what the hell did I just reference? Because I really like to know what I'm saying. Okay. Don't yank those down from the ceiling. Oh my God. I really did a number up there. I ain't gonna look up though. They being the landlords. The landlords. That's the thing. I have these clear tacks, but they are increasingly hard to find when I drop them. So I can take a little pinprick up the toe if I must. But if one of my cats did, I would be devastated. And I suppose that's just my natural maternal instinct kicking in. You know. What about it? I think that maternal instinct is, like, that term, you know, is coined to just strictly apply to children, when in fact, like, the reason that women are just stereotyped, right, to be empathetic and caring is because it does just naturally apply to so many other things, people, things, right? And this is what mine applies to.
Excuse me, ma'am. You're so cute that I could eat you like you're a snack.
This is what we got going on today, y'all. I mean, I think it looks pink, but on the camera, it doesn't look quite as pink, so. Anywho, we're gonna try and sort this out. Everybody who dreams of having a Dyson, this is their copium, I think. I don't really know. Just gonna get real with you. Me and my third eye. That's like just hardly anything. This just showed up today. It'll be gone by tomorrow probably. I accidentally over plucked my eyebrow like here. Because essentially I would want it to be kind of thicker, I think, to like right there. Sisters not twins, I know. But I did over pluck this one, so that's what we're going with here. My eyebrows kind of just, they've always just not been on my face. I've really hardly ever done any sort of shaping to them at all up until like literally recently. My favorite, super thin with super short bang lately. That's like been my thing. I think that's most complimentary to my face shape. Hair reveal. Hair reveal. I don't want to, I'm scared to look at the back. I'm having deja vu. I need to tell Pawn what I just thought of. I just had a That's So Raven vision. I like it. I like it. I need to cut my bangs shorter real quick. I think I might, okay, I trimmed them shorter, but I think I might actually curl my hair too, but I'm gonna just plug that in and we're gonna do my makeup first and pluck my eyebrows. What's wrong? Well, I love you. Well, I do. My phone filled up with storage. No more storage space. But I'm here to show you my completed look right before I stream. I hope you have a great rest of your evening, week, day, month, year. That's all I have to say, I think. So I'll see you next time. Bye.